attention. I go back to bed with you. I be waking up at 8 just to make sure that I'm with you. Then I'm talking to your mind like it's an interview. Then I'm waking up at 5 to go get dinner with you. Then I'm waking up at 3, putting all my energy into making sure I don't wake you falling back to sleep. Then I'm waking up at 2, you ain't asked me but I knew we gon' be up at 1, I just had to check in. You take my attention. Ooh, but I don't shine when don't mean none. Ooh, gay take when you take my everything. You take my attention. Okay, let's go. Let me set the record straight. I got 168 hours every week and I want all of them to stay with you. You. And if that can't happen, I won't mind